Okay, so here's my next project. I'm helping a friend of mine whose house was destroyed in Hurricane Michael. There was a couple of huge oak trees that kind of came through the roof and let a whole bunch of water in. And what I've been asked to do is help with tiling. And so the contractor has already done quite a bit because when I was here 3 months ago before I went to France, this was just open studs, no drywall, and they were just putting in the electrical and the plumbing. So here, this is the master bath, and we've already put down this mosaic tile flooring, and it's throughout the whole master area, underneath this paper, and in this shower area. So this is what we've been working on, and I'm going to show you some pictures of what this was like before, when we were just starting to do the walls and then get the waterproofing up. So we got controls over here for the shower. There's a rain head up on the ceiling right there, and then there's a shower head on this wall, and a shower head here. And then I've designed these 2-level niches, which got the tile from the floor behind in the back portion of the niche, and then just using marble 4x12 pieces to make the shower niche. So I'm really happy the way this is coming out. So the next step is going to be getting these tiles on the floor, getting the threshold done, and then finishing out these tiles along this wall, and then the last ones along the top here. So this will be fun to do. And then it's just going to be grouting, and that's going to be it for the master shower until we get the door, and then I've got to install the door. It's going to be a 3/8 inch glass door installed, hinging over on the right, and I've got to figure out, I've got this decorative molding right here. It's just an aluminum trim molding, same color as the faucet handles. So I'm going to have that over here, and I'll show that when it's done. Next up, let me show you the other 2 bathrooms. So here's the waterproofing on the shower floor, which is the Curdy membrane, and then we're going to use Red Guard on the wall. So it's got a pre-slope on the floor, and then thin set, and then this fabric, waterproofing fabric, is gluing it down to the bottom. Here's the Duroc, and all the joints have been taped and thin set. Here's that Curdy membrane for waterproofing, and the tiling starting to go in. And this has a pre-slope underneath this thing, so it slopes towards that drain. So this is Red Guard over the Duroc. And over the years, I've used a variety of waterproofing methods, and I'm happy with this method. It works out well where I've got the Curdy membrane on a pre-sloped floor, and that goes up about 3 or 4 inches on the walls, and then Red Guard for the rest of the walls. And that provides appropriate level of waterproofing for the shower. Here the tiles have been all cut and put in place, except right where that divot is in the center. That's where the drain is going to go. That's not cut out yet. So this little video clip is going to show the evolution of the niches. And I designed my niches so they fit right in with the wall tile. And these are 2 wall tiles tall. And the system is, again, Duroc. And then there's 3 coats of Red Guard that go over all of these joints for perfect waterproofing of these niches. And once thin set gets in there and the more waterproofing, they're completely waterproof. So I can see here how the niches have been completely waterproofed. And there's no way that those are going to leak. They've got 3 layers of red guard on them, and that's going to be completely waterproof. And here's the start of the tile going into the niches. So here's the half bathroom, and this is off the hallway and kitchen. And my friends have a 1 acre lot, so they wanted to have plenty of tile that's not going to show any kind of dirt from their outside work and bring it in. So this is going to go out through this hallway, and I've got it designed so that the pattern from in this bathroom will just continue out into this hallway and then down all the way down this hallway here. So that's all going to be this tile. The rest of the house is going to be LVP, vinyl plank flooring. So the main traffic area right down here in this hallway is that tile, rest of the house, vinyl plank flooring. And let me show you the upstairs bathroom, which we're in the process of doing. And I'm just consulting for my friends. This is probably my 12th shower that I've done. And as we walk these stairs, so in here we've got the mosaic tile, except these mosaics are porcelain. And then we've got some day tile, like 4x4 squares. And then we're just going to figure out for the shower niche or niche, however you pronounce it, on this wall. And then they can go ahead and make that, and they've got pieces. So I really like how this floor turned out as well. These porcelain tiles with this basket weave pattern. I really enjoy. That's the same kind of thing that I put in my kitchen at home, and they kind of chose it separately. But yeah, so I've just been asked to consult on the tile, and so I'm helping with floor tile and wall tile for the shower surrounding here. So that's it, and I'll show you when we get some more.